Good morning, y'all. So it is almost it's 11 o'clock now. So I am trying to finish my stuff for the day. I've been watching videos because all week long I've been wanting to get to watch my handbag girls, and I haven't had a minute. So I'm so happy that I got to get caught up on some of the girlies. My favorite to watch right now has been, well, I'm not gonna do that. Never mind, I'm not gonna do that. But I love watching the videos. I just wanted to get in and comment. Y'all see my pumpkin pillow? Pumpkin patch. I got that from Pop Shelf. I love it. I got my little bucket here because I'm just cleaning up my bag and I don't want to just throw it on the coffee table. So, um, yeah. But I guess I will share that. I love, because I enjoy sharing people who I really like with you guys so that maybe you can go over and you'll like watching them as well. So while I was cleaning the kitchen, which I'm still, am I done? I still need to clean out the pantry, but I'm not doing that yet. The pantry needs to be cleaned out. I love watching Nothing But Bags. I watched her earlier today. Um, her content is so good. I think I've mentioned it before, but I don't think I uploaded that video. So forgive me, but you need to go see her if you have not. Um, this is, you all saw this. I don't know, did you see this? Maybe not. So I'll go ahead and share what's in my bag while I'm doing it. But Nothing But Bags, Miss Toya, Dazzle Me 77, DJ King, um, Boo Bougie, that's the girl I've been loving her vlogs lately. She don't even know I exist, but I love her vlogs because she's not in the handbag community. But I just love watching her content because it's just so real and it reminds me of home. So you guys, for those of you who are new here, I don't live in my hometown. I've moved around quite a bit. So whenever I find somebody that reminds me of a cousin or a family member, I jump on it and I'm watching them like hotcakes. Like I'm just watching them back to back to back because it gives me that fuzzy feeling of home, you know? So anyway, this is a hot mess because, this is a disclaimer. I was grabbing stuff from out of my guest room because I was in my guest room for something earlier yesterday, and then out of this living room. So I have everything in here because I was going to take it upstairs and do this, but I'm going to do it down here. So whatever. I have soap. I have a lip balm, and these are a Dollar Tree. Ain't that cute? You gotta have something cute in your bag. I don't care what nobody say. And yes, I am a maximalist. For those of you who are minimalists, I'm sorry. You can fast forward through if you can't watch it. It's a lot. I know. That's just a Wet n Wild palette. And I love Wet n Wild because their palettes are so pigmented. I don't even know if they still have these, but I used to love Wet n Wild. Love them. Now this is what I kept my makeup in. Let's go through this. So I'm gonna put this in here because I'm taking everything out and then I'll redo it later. My Maybelline, my Dollar Tree concealer. This is my Juvia's Place. Some pencils and a file. My peach lip balm, which I need now. Y'all, I just did this on TikTok, a review on this. This is the Joa lip balm. Really thought that was cute. It was a pretty pink. This Summer Fridays, I'm really loving. Let me show y'all this, because this even shows up on my pigmented lips. Can y'all see that? And it's Saturday, so excuse me, I have on my little lounge gown. It come all the way to the floor. Let me just take this whole thing out because y'all don't need to see every little thing. I will show my Too Faced. This is Too Faced. This is really not my color, but I make it work because I don't like taking a big foundation with me. But y'all know I have to have what I need because if I don't have it, I don't feel right if I have to do something last minute, like speak or something like that. This is a Choco Musk um, rollerball oil, and it smells so good. It just smells like pure chocolate. Like I got the, if your beauty supply doesn't carry them, you can get it from Amazon. I have my extra earrings and floss. Yes, my girl Nothing But Bags was talking about our earrings. Yes, I carry everything. Y'all just don't know. My schedule is crazy. And that's all I have in here. I have my little coin pouch that just has like gum in it. I'm gonna keep that packed because I don't really need that. I have my little vanilla scented sanitizer, my charger. Oh, this MAC. This is really good. I don't know if any of you, those of you who are into makeup, if you're not into makeup, you're not gonna care. But look how pigmented that is. That is such a pretty burgundy for fall. And I had it in my collection, but I hardly ever wear it. And that green is bomb. Let me show y'all. Like if I just did one side, that's pretty. That's so pretty. Now I gotta go through the video looking like this, but I will. I'm in my home. I have my little Amazon pouch. This is just cute. I think my daughter tried to take this, but I took it back. You tried to take this? I found it in the car. I have a pic for my husband and for me. Oh yeah. Y'all like my hair? Another Joa's lipstick. I didn't realize I had this in my purse earlier, or I would have reviewed it when I was in the car doing that for TikTok. But I did not do that. And I have some little stickers for fall. I wanted to do something with these in my planner. So I'm not gonna put that in there because that's not really for my bag. I have another sanitizer. Again, this stuff was just in my thing. I have my pencil case, but this has so much more than pencils in it. I got honey. I have chomps. I have perfume, granola bars. So I need to just clean all of this out. As the week goes on, especially if I'm in a bag or in the accessories for a long time, you can see stuff just accumulates. And then some of this stuff was, like I said, wasn't in my bag. It was just in the room and I just put it in there. LA Colors. I actually like these. They work pretty well. My keys that I will be looking for. Some emergency because I was sick earlier this week. And I still feel kind of funny. I don't know. I have this cuticle oil I got from Dollar Tree. I haven't tried this one, but I thought it was cute because it has all the botanical, like, little things at the bottom. You see it? I thought that was neat. It's infused. My glasses. Now I'm running out of space in the bin. And then my two pouches. This is my hygiene pouch, and this is my other one with the gift cards. So, and pill case. So that's it. Everything else is like little knick-knack stuff, like candy. I got a Butterfinger. My diet has, I got to get back on my plan, y'all, because I've been eating kind of on the go, which is never good. I saw my girl Miss T on, I think it was on TikTok, with her, these are just some more earrings, with her meal planner. And I was like, I've been meaning to do that for so long. It's been a minute since I've done it. I need to meal plan. That's the only way for me to be successful with weight loss, is to have that food on hand, or else I'm, tempted to get this fast food or whatever. All right, so it's all cleaned out. All right, so that's pretty much it, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and eat my little breakfast because I was out earlier today and didn't get to eat. I have grapes, some salami, and some cottage cheese with pineapple. If you haven't tried these, y'all know this isn't sponsored. But these are, if you don't like cottage cheese, because I'm not a cottage cheese lover, I'm a yogurt lover, but I don't like cottage cheese. This allows me to eat it, and it doesn't gross me out. The pineapple in it tastes really good. It's 160 calories per serving, but the reason I eat it is because of the protein. It's 14 grams of protein. So I like that. And it's only, well, it's 15 carbs. So if you're on keto or something like that, then this will be probably all you can have for that day. Anyway, I'm going to eat this and finish watching my series lately that I've been watching. What is the name of it? It's called A New Look with Dior and Chanel. And I'm loving it because there's always been controversy around designer brands and luxury brands, and even way back then in the 1940s and 50s, they were saying that Chanel and Dior were patronizing the Nazis and all this kind of stuff. So I am really, really loving it. And it's on Apple TV. So that's what I'm watching today. I'm probably going to finish it out today because I don't want to do anything. I just want to be at home. I just want to be at home and chill. So, yeah, I'm ready to do that. I'm probably going to make some popcorn. We make our popcorn on the stove. Jersey Girl for life knows that if she's watching. Hey, girl. Because I saw her video yesterday doing that. And I've been really craving Butterfingers lately. So I don't know if that's because of my mom's birthday just passing or what, but I don't know. It reminds me of her because that was her favorite. But yeah, I'm getting ready to go and chill, rest my back because my back really hurts. And yeah, figure out what I'm going to wear to church tomorrow because I have to get there early at 9 o'clock. So we'll see. I love y'all. Y'all take care. Thank you guys again for subscribing. Thank you for coming over and showing me love. I appreciate you so much. Yeah, it's so much stuff that I think about once I turn this camera off and I'm like, I should have said this and I should have said that, and then I'm mad because I didn't do it. Oh, let me show y'all something. So Hobby Lobby had these last year and I needed one more and I never went back and got it, and I need it. Hold on. Yeah, so this the pampas grass, I used to have it on the floor. I'm trying it in different spaces because I don't know if I want it up there or on the floor. And of course I need to move my thing over, my furniture piece, the buffet over. I made that, by the way. It was so ugly and disgusting before and I redid it. But I want to get another one of those pampas grasses just to make it 3. I don't know why I have to have 3s. And then these are just some thank yous in the bag, so don't mind that. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. I just wanted to come in and do that and let you guys know I was out of her. I enjoyed rocking this girl thoroughly. This cabriolet, I just feel so ladylike and classy when I wear this bag. I just love this bag, and it has no wear. This bag is over 20 years old because my son is 22, 23, something like that, and it's still in perfect condition. And he was 6 months old when I first saw this bag. So I love anything vintage. You guys know most of the things on this channel is about vintage items.
You don't have to redo that whole video because I'm right here.
That's your problem.
You have to redo the whole video.
I'll put a sticker over your face and it's gonna look real crazy. All right, bye y'all. I'm done. I'm finna go chill.